Hello, friends. I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to this month's market update for Northwest Arkansas. It is October 3rd of 2022, and fall has finally arrived. We have cooler temperatures in the mornings and the evenings and in the afternoons. It's only about 75 degrees. It's absolutely sublime. Football season has started, and we are starting to see our leaves finally change colors. But what's going on in our real estate market? I checked the 30-year fixed mortgage rates today, and they are at 7.625 for a conventional loan. For an FHA and VA loan, it's still at 7%. That's so much higher than it's been just in a couple months. It's been incredible to see that increase, but what's that doing to our real estate market? We're going to be looking today at Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, and Bella Vista, and we're only looking at single-family residential properties. In those 5 towns, 582 listings have sold in September, but what has happened to our prices? We're going to be looking at sold listings. Have our prices gone up in 30 days or gone down, or are they still leveling off? Let's take a look at the data. We're going to start south in Fayetteville. So this time last year in Fayetteville in 2021, Fayetteville sold 179 listings at a median sold price of $302,000 at $161 per square foot. Now, just below that graphic, last month in August, 164 listings sold at a median sold price of $355,000 at $192 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From September 1st through September 30th of 2022, Fayetteville sold 135 listings at a median sold price of $343,699 at $189 per square foot. So Fayetteville actually lost some value in 30 days, but that's still a $28 per square foot increase from this time last year. There are 295 pending listings at $198 per square foot. The median pending price is $399,255. And right now there are 232 active listings in Fayetteville with an active median price point of $441,000 at $201 per square foot. So Fayetteville lost a little bit of value in 30 days. Let's go over to Springdale and see what's going on there. This time last year in 2021, Springdale sold 130 listings at a median sold price of $260,000 at $151 per square foot. Last month in August, 125 listings sold at a median sold price of $323,809 at $176 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From September 1st through September 30th, Springdale sold 104 listings, and the median sold price was $320,000 at $181 per square foot. So Springdale is 1 out of 2 towns out of the 5 that has actually gained some value in the last 30 days. Their pending listings, there's 112 pending listings in Springdale at a median pending price point of $339,500 at $176 per square foot. Now move up to the top. There's only 121 active listings in Springdale. That's not very many. The active median price point is $450,000 at $197 per square foot. So as you can see, from the active to the sold, quite a drop, which means that we are seeing some negotiating. Let's go look at Rogers and see what Rogers is doing. This time last year, Rogers sold 135 listings at a median sold price of $327,500 at $153 per square foot. Last month, August, 105 listings sold in Rogers at a median sold price of $362,000 at $185 per square foot. Now move over to your right, and from September 1st through September 30th, Rogers sold 99 listings, not that many sold listings in September for Rogers, at a median sold price of $375,000 at $187 per square foot. So Rogers and Springdale gained a little bit of value in the last 30 days. And over a year, 12 months, Rogers is $34 per square foot higher than this time last year. So even though we're seeing a little bit of a peak and a plateau and a leveling off in our real estate market, we are still so far ahead of this time last year. So there are 139 pending listings with a pending price point of $409,447 at $187 per square foot. And right now there's 133 active listings in Rogers. That's not very many, at a median active list price of $584,900. Not very many affordable housing in Rogers. $205 per square foot on the active median price per square foot. So as you can see, still quite a drop in the sold listings. Do you remember when our sold listings were actually higher than our active listings earlier this year? So we've seen quite a turn. Let's go over to Bentonville. This time last year, there was 170 listings sold at a median sold price of $380,000 at $168 per square foot. Oh, I wish I could go back in time and buy some houses in Bentonville. Last month in August, 118 listings sold at a median sold price of $448,040 at $202 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Bentonville sold 123 listings in September at a median sold price of $404,796 at $198 per square foot. So Bentonville also lost value, just like Fayetteville did. If you move up to the pending, look how many pending listings there are in Bentonville right now. There are 356 pending listings. The median pending price point is $395,615 at $188 per square foot. So you can see how much lower the pending is than even the sold, which is a little bit unusual for our traditional pattern that we usually would see. Usually our active listings are the highest, our pending listings are lower, and then our sold listing are the lowest, but we're seeing an adjustment time period. And so it looks like next month that our sold listings will drop again in Bentonville. You'll have to come back and check that out. There are 204 active listings right now in Bentonville at a active median price point of $527,650 at $217 per square foot. So again, quite a drop from the active to the sold. We are seeing sellers have to lower their price, and there's some actually negotiating going on, which we didn't see earlier this year. Let's move over to Bella Vista. Bella Vista has always been our biggest bang for dollar in Northwest Arkansas. This time last year, 125 listings sold at a median sold price of $273,000 at $152 per square foot. Last month in August, 106 listings sold at a median sold price of $349,500 at $187 per square foot. Now move over to the right in Bella Vista. In September, 113 listings sold at a median sold price of $340,000 at $183 per square foot. So Bella Vista losing value as well, but there's still $31 per square foot higher from this time last year. There's 130 pending listings in Bella Vista right now, not very many, at a median pending price point of $342,450 to $193 per square foot. And right now, there are 149 active listings in Bella Vista. Now, that's actually an increase. So the inventories are starting to come up as our interest rates are coming up, and an active median price point of $415,900 at $204 per square foot. Again, a pretty big drop from the active to the sold listings. Really interesting data. Real quickly, there's only a few specialty properties, still low inventories on our specialty properties. Only 20 lakefront properties in Northwest Arkansas, 14 Beaver Lake homes, 3 Bella Vista Lake homes, and 3 Lake Flint Swepco Lake homes in Gentry. And in golf front property in Northwest Arkansas, there's only 9 golf front property homes. There's 2 in Bella Vista, 4 in Rogers, 2 in Fayetteville, and 1 in Springdale. So what can we glean from all of this data? Well, I can tell you that we're continuing to see a leveling off, a plateau. We're not seeing as many multiple offer situations as we saw earlier a few months ago, and we are starting to see some dips in our values as the interest rates go up, and that is what the federal government's trying to do to slow inflation. They're also slowing down our real estate market because we have had low inventories all years. So I think that we're going to continue to see a little bit of a drop here in Northwest Arkansas. Not a huge drop, but a little drop. I don't think we're going to see much of an increase, but it'll be interesting to see. Come back next week and I'll be going over some some data on our Arkansas real estate contract, and then I'll be going over the days on market and our current inventories throughout the month. So check back with me every week and watch the videos. As always, you can reach out to me at info@hutchrealty.com. You can always go to our website where you can see all active listings in Northwest Arkansas. At hutchrealty.com, you can also get a free home evaluation. If you are a seller, there's still time to get top value for your property, over $30 per square foot in almost every town, higher from this time last year. No matter what, I wish you the very best. May God bless you, and may God bless your home.